Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 16, our history. In this chapter we will know about ancient period, medieval period, modern period. Let us see. In your book some activities are given here. For you have to do this. Identify and name the following personalities who are still remembered in the Indian history. The clue for each is given below. One has been solved for you. Here some pictures are given and you have to identify these personalities and write in front of these statements which are given below for your help. First is done for you. Let us see. First, he entered in Indian politics in 1915. Mahatma Gandhi. Is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi and you have to write in front of this statement Mahatma Gandhi. He entered in Indian politics in 1915. Mahatma Gandhi. Second, he was the first Prime Minister of India. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You have to write here. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Let us see. Third activity is given. He was a great king of medieval India. Great king of medieval India was Akbar. Great king of medieval India, the Akbar. Okay, let us start our chapter. India has a glorious past. The Indian history is broadly divided into three periods. The ancient period before 600 CE, the medieval period from 600 CE to about 1750 CE, and the modern period from 1750 to 1947. India has glorious past, means our history is very glorious, very beautiful, and the Indian history is broadly divided into three parts. First part is ancient history, which is ancient period, and medieval history, which is medieval, and the modern period, which is lying on the 1750 to 1947 after independence. Okay. Ancient period. The earliest known traces of human life in India are found at Bhimbekta. It is now a World Heritage Site. Historians say that there was a very advanced civilization near the Indus River, now in Pakistan, around 2500 BCE. This is called the Indus Valley Civilization. Harappa was the first city discovered in India. Mohenjo-daro is another important city found in this area. The civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. The earlier known traces of human life in India is called Indian history, Indian period, which is ancient period, found in Bhimbekta. Earlier means earlier starting traces which is found in India is in Bhimbekta, which is the ancient history. It is now World Heritage Site which is situated in Pakistan, almost near the Indus River Valley. And this is called the Indus River Civilization. Harappa was the first city discovered in India, and it is the important city found in the area. This civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. Indus Valley civilization. The first known urban society in India was the Indus Valley civilization. It was located along the Indus River and its tributaries. It extended from the Ganga, Yamuna, Doab to Gujarat and beyond up to northern Afghanistan. The first known urban society in India was Indus Valley civilization. First known means earlier known urban society which is developed in starting, which is known as Indus Valley civilization, and it was located along the Indus River and its tributaries, and it extended from the Ganga, Yamuna, Doab. Doab means a piece of land between two rivers. Doab means a piece of land between two rivers which is lying between two rivers, and to Gujarat and beyond up to northern Afghanistan. It is stretches from the Gujarat and beyond to Afghanistan also. The Indus Valley people built well planted cities with important buildings such as the Great Bath and granary. Seals, pottery, jewelry, and other remains of the civilization tell us about the lifestyle of the people who lived in that society. It also gives us clues about the life of people during that period. The Indus Valley civilization people built well planned cities, and they made with important civilizations such as Great Bath, a big bath which is found in the civilization, and granary also. Seals, pottery and jewelry are also found remain of these jewelries and civilization which is tell about their lifestyle, the people who lived in that society. It also gives us clues about the life of the people during that time who live in this civilization. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.